What's up, gang? It's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket. We're out in the garden doing a little harvesting. It's the end of September. Y'all can see I got a couple cucumbers I'm grabbing. They're a little deformed, but that's usually how they are at the end of the season. You take what you can get, right? I am grateful for my garden. I try to make this my sanctuary, my peaceful area. It started out peaceful, y'all, but got a little interruption during my progress today. Um, while I was trying to do my video, you can see I got some great carrots. We've been watching the carrots all season, and that one is like a orangey color, uh, like a orangey red. I don't know. It wasn't totally orange, y'all. But I'm grateful and it looked good. And it got pretty huge for me this year because I added more soil. That one right there is a red carrot. The seeds that I planted were heirloom carrot seeds. So that's why they're all different colors. That's another little small red baby carrot that came up as well. I probably could have left them a little longer, but they had went to seed at the top, so that's why I wanted to pull them. Right now, y'all can see I thought I was finna get me some sage and start the process for the pineapple sage, but I gotta get some scissors for that. So we're gonna come over here to the hardy cherry tomato plant and start to pull some of them off the vine to harvest. Y'all didn't see the actual natural sound of the video today because I had music playing in the background and I didn't want to get a copyright on my video. So I'm doing a little voiceover on the harvesting today. Like I told y'all, I had to stop my process because I got a interruption from some folks while I was trying to be at peace. They disrupted my peace, but y'all can see this is what I harvested in the bowl. I got everything in the house, in the kitchen. That there is the Swiss chard that I cut as well while I was outside, y'all. I didn't get to shoot that part of the video. And then here is the pineapple sage plant. Y'all can see I got a good amount of that plant cut down as well while I was outside today doing the harvest. Now here is the after effects after the harvest. I came back to show y'all what the garden is looking like so I can let it keep growing and try to keep protecting it as best I can. This time of the year is almost October. Tomorrow is October 1st. So yeah, this is what we looking like. So far still in the garden. Y'all can see I left the little yellow neck squash. Maybe it'll get a little bigger, y'all. I don't know. I left it to see what will happen. It is pretty and yellow. Looks like it's ready to eat. And then y'all can see that there is the heirloom zucchini. It's gotten slightly bigger. But yeah, I'm grateful to even see it grow this year. I didn't know I was going to get one. So it finally did bloom out. Here is our cucumber vine. Y'all can see it's huge, still tall. Uh, I cut down the Swiss chard, y'all can see there, and that's the hot pepper plant. We got a hot pepper that has come on the plant. Y'all can see that it looks like a jalapeno maybe. We'll find out what it is. That's a zucchini that we got growing. It's still small, so I left it out the harvest as well. But yeah, we had a pretty good harvest this year in the garden. Y'all can see the pineapple sage is cut down. That's the pineapple head that I planted down there at the bottom. And I did come out, I can tell y'all, and cut the chives down because I used that in a recipe. Y'all see the next video that I post later on today from the garden harvest. I made some great meals with the garden harvest. So please go check out those other two videos from what I made with the garden harvest today. It's your girl Jack. Catch you on the next video. Bye.